challenge 5 base. First thing we'll do, we'll give it a little shock. This is one and done, so don't leave the base after you start. All right. We are going to shock a couple things that will tend to kill us. And I'm going to clear this out with soul runners. Let's get these guys. And let's get one more right there. I'm bringing in 8 soul runners. We're basically going to clean out the right side. All right, let's go. All right, now let's shock again. Let's clean out this stuff here. This time I'm going to bring in 10 soul runners. That's a full tune. The more of these guys you can stun, the better. That way they won't shoot you back. All right, that's good enough for now. Now we can kill a lot of these planes with controllers. You can also kill them with your soul runners. Let's see, we got nothing over here that's going to hurt us. So let's get in position and take them out. I have 8 controllers. No, missed it. Let's get this guy. Hopefully that will get him. Yep, got him. All right, while we're trying to get him, we will come over here and shoot this guy, and it'll take out the rail. You got to watch out because things start coming. I have one goal, no damage. So if you want to do it quicker, if you want to use your soul runners and continue doing it, that's a great option. I'm trying to minimize the damage. Okay, next time he comes forward, we'll get him. These planes will do a lot of damage to you. Soul runners do a pretty good job on them, though, if you want to just run your soul runners through. There we go. Now let's get the other one. That won't kill him. He'll come after us. No. All right, we'll try again. That'll kill him. He's dead. All right, let's take out... You can take him out if you're careful. Let's take out this guy first. He's the most dangerous. And we'll take out a couple of these guys. I mean, technically, if you want to just go in there with your soul runners, right now you can. I'm trying to mitigate the situation. All right, you're dead. Let's get this guy here. Gotta watch out for him and him. Let's see if we can get him. You don't usually get him with one shot. Oh, we did. Hold on, this is what we'll do. Shock him first. What a shocking revelation that was. Now we'll shock him. And I think at this point we've only got... All right. All right, we'll take these guys out. Now we'll clear the rest with soul runners. The only thing you got is him. So what we'll do is we'll just shock him. And we'll run our soul runners through and we'll be done. That's basically it. Challenge 5 completed. Go and do likewise.